When it comes to sewing patterns, you get different types of sewing patterns. You get the traditional paper patterns that come in little envelopes, mostly like these. And these are generally referred to as the Big Four patterns because of the Big Four companies that design them: Vogue, McCall's, Burda, those companies. And they are usually printed on tissue paper like this, and they have a little information sheet on the inside with the instructions. So the instructions are usually illustrated, and of course I designed my own PDF patterns, but before I did, I used all sorts of PDF patterns from many different designers. So a PDF pattern is just that. It's a digital file that you can download. You can print it at home like this, or you can have it printed at a copy shop on an A0 piece of paper, and you'll have a large sheet of paper with the whole pattern printed on it, and that will look something like this. And it has all the sizes included in your pattern, which is what I love about PDF patterns, is they come in usually in all the sizes, and paper patterns tend to have a limited size range. So about PDF patterns, you print these at home or at a copy shop, and then you assemble them. And this is how I like to store my patterns. There are many different ways. I also have beautiful little vinyl front pouches, but I don't have enough of them yet that I make myself. But this is how I store my patterns. I print their cover page and I store them in an envelope, and I can see exactly what is in there. And my cover pages usually have a space for notes. This is an older pattern, so you won't see that space right here. But here is one of my newer patterns, and you can see that I have a space for notes, so I can write down which size I printed and write any notes on here, just so that I know if I've made any changes. Now, I don't generally cut only one size. What I like to do is I like to print at least 2 sizes around my own size. So when you're choosing a size to print, there's my size right in the middle. I always recommend printing 1 down and 1 up, or 2 down and 2 up. It just gives you more room to play around with the pattern, use it for different purposes, or make any alterations.